Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Balenciaga model everyday BB0086S in color code 006. It's a Ruthenium color frame. On the temples here we have a silver color. And we have a Balenciaga emblem in black at the temple tip. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the serial number. This is the other side of the temple. The lenses are a gray-pink logo mirror as the Balenciaga logo. The style of this frame is a fashion cat eye. Up here we have a Balenciaga case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.